Hi, I'm Sara from sewingmastery.com, and we have just finished the filming of the Pfaff Ambition family of sewing machines. But the question people always ask me, of the three, which one is right for me? So I'm going to just give you a couple highlights of the Pfaff Ambition 610, 620, and the Quilt Ambition 630 sewing machine. So one thing about all three of these machines is that there is not really a lot of difference, a few things. So if you are a person who is just starting out and maybe you are staying within a budget, definitely take a look at the first one, the Pfaff Ambition 610 sewing machine. It's going to have a ton of features, great stitches, and allow you some growing into room that will really help expand your sewing style. It has 110 built-in stitches, easy to push the button, pick the stitch, everything's set up for you, super easy, great amount of accessory feet, and plus all these machines can participate in the Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course, and that's the quilts behind us, as you learn how to use all those decorative stitches and all those wonderful presser feet that are available for all three of these machines. Pfaff is known for their IDT. That's like a built-in walking foot, and all three of these machines has that as part of their package. So you don't have to buy that foot separately. If you can't decide which machine to buy, always buy the middle model. That's going to have a little bit more than the basic, but maybe not everything that the top has. This model has a built-in thread cutter. The tension is automatic, getting you into the right ballpark as you pick different decorative stitches. Speaking of decorative stitches, you're going to have 136 stitches, but you're also going to have an alphabet and the memory or sequencing area with this machine. So you're going to be able to put together combinations of stitches and letters and be able to go beyond those basic decorative stitches. Now, if you are a quilter and like to have the best, definitely look at the Pfaff Quilt Ambition 630 sewing machine. So it's going to have everything I've talked about, but it's going to have a touch screen. No different than the buttons, but some people prefer that. It's going to have 201 decorative stitches, plus it comes with 2 extra feet. For you quilters, it's going to come with the 1/4-inch foot and the free motion quilting foot. Now for these other 2 models, you can always buy those feet separately at your local Pfaff retailer. All 3 models come with a hard case, LED lighting, and a start-stop button, which allows you to sew without your foot control. Like when we talk about sewing out all your decorative stitches and making the ultimate stitch book. There is a free video that you can watch in our Pfaff Stitching Cosmos online course. We'll put links below this YouTube video so you can check that out. We always encourage you to sew on a machine before you buy it. So head over to your local Pfaff retailer and sit down and see which of the models is going to be best for you. No matter which one you pick, you're going to love sewing on the newest family of Pfaff Ambition sewing machines. So check out over 100 videos that we have done on these models so you can find out all the additional things that they can do for you.